Hey guys, welcome to our next tutorial. I'm Liesl from AMALYZE, and today I'll be discussing our keyword database. All of our tools rely on the data we have, and keywords and search terms are some of the most important kinds when it comes to selling on Amazon. In our database, you're currently able to search for more than 120 million search terms, and every day we discover new keywords that buyers are using. And we add them to our database as well. With this huge amount of data, you'll definitely find keywords you never would have thought of, but that are still being used by your clients. Let's take a look. To open the keyword database, just click on the keyword database widget on your dashboard, or go to the keywords menu item and select database. After you open the keyword database, you can choose one of our 6 marketplace options. You can also choose more than just a single marketplace, and I'll explain this feature later on in the video. In today's example, we're going to get keywords which contain the word LED. And as you can see here, enter the words that must all be included in the keyword. And when we click submit, we'll get all the keywords that contain LED. You'll see all the results below the filters, and you can also see the number of results at the bottom of the result table. In this case, there are 184,660 keywords. You'll also be able to narrow down your search. Let's say you want to get the keywords which include the word LED, but also include a different word, say lights. Click the submit button again, and the results will be filtered accordingly. And as you can see, we now have 27,371 keywords left, and all of them contain both words. And it doesn't matter if these words are next to each other, nor does the chronological order of the words matter, meaning which one is at the beginning and which one is at the end. They just both need to be included in the search term. We can also exclude some words. We have a result over here, Govee LED strip lights. Govee is a brand keyword or a brand name, and now I want to exclude all keywords which include this brand name. So over in this section, type in the word Govee and click submit. Now all keywords which contain the word Govee will be excluded. You can also filter for other KPIs, for example, the search volume or the results. To do so, just change the filter mode over here by clicking on the Switch Filter Mode button. Once you click it, you'll see Basic Mode, Advanced Mode, and Expert Mode. And for each of these modes, you'll have additional opportunities to filter for more data. You can also add more KPIs to the result table. Let's say you want to get more KPIs, or you want to see the buying power of each keyword. Just click on the Configure Table button, and now you can see 2 sections over here, the inactive columns and the active columns. The active columns are the columns you see in the current result table. If you drag one of the inactive columns into the active columns section and click Confirm, you'll see that added column in your result table. You also have the option to refresh or reload the data table. You can download the data by clicking on the download button, and you can set the number of displayed rows. And you can choose between 10 rows, 50 rows, or 100 rows per results page. If you'd like to get a definition of the KPI, which you can see in the result table, just hover your mouse over the column name and a tooltip with information will appear. And this information will give you a definition of this column or the KPI. In some KPIs, you have these line charts. For this first keyword, it has a monthly search volume of 476,000. Next to it, we have the spark line, and you can see the data points and the performance of the search volume. You can also click on this spark line chart, and a pop-up window will appear. Here you can also see the date and the data point. You can also set another time frame by adjusting this blue color field at the bottom. So now let's close this pop-up window. As I quickly touched upon earlier, you can also search more than just one marketplace. Just go back to the marketplace filter, and let's choose the UK marketplace as well. Now both marketplaces are included in the filter, and go ahead and click submit. So now, as you can see, some keywords have the US flag and some have the UK flag. Here you can see LED lights for the US marketplace, and here are the LED lights for the UK marketplace. That's how you can identify which keyword and search volume belongs to which marketplace, meaning you can see what data belongs to which marketplace. Below the keyword, you'll see two icons, SP and SB. If one is darker in color, like here, it means this keyword has sponsored product ads and sponsored brand ads running. If the icon is lighter in color, like here, it means there are sponsored product ads running, but no sponsored brand ads. And it can also appear as the reverse, with sponsored brand ads running, but no sponsored product ads. So now you know what these two icons mean. You can also perform some actions with these keywords. Let's say you'd like to open this keyword on Amazon. You can click on this More Actions button, and in the drop-down menu that appears, go to Open With, Keywords, and then Open on Amazon. By doing so, this keyword will open on Amazon, and you can immediately get the results for this keyword. And as you can see, we can also open this keyword in one of our other tools. You can also perform a keyword action with more than one keyword. So let's say we want to do so with these 3 keywords. Just click the keywords with a check mark. Now our action bar will appear, and we can utilize the filter and include or exclude these words. Or you can add them to a monitoring project, and you can also add them to a keyword list. And just a note, you won't be able to open all these keywords on Amazon at the same time because you can only search for one keyword at a time on Amazon. You can also check all of the results by clicking on this first checkbox in the top corner, and then you can perform an action with all of your keywords. In this case, it's 100 keywords. And don't worry that all action bar items are inactive. It's only because this selection contains keywords from different marketplaces at the same time. So that was definitely a lot of information, but when you use the data-driven approach and you're provided with market-leading data, you'll definitely level up your business and crush the competition. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, happy analyzing.